Hello there, let's see how to reset this Mubview camera. It depends on the model that you have, but basically there's a reset button that you just need to press and hold until you hear a message or a beep or something. So I have the camera connected to power. You see by the LED here, so the camera is working. Then I just need to move the lens up for this one. And here there's a reset button, okay? So I just press here and hold and wait. You see? There's a cool sound, and then I just put the camera here and wait for the camera to boot up, and the camera is going to turn like horizontally with the pan movement and the tilt movement to do some tests, and it's good to go. Okay, there we go. I hear a chime. The camera is still rotating here, doing some tests, and it's basically good to go. Now you can just grab your app and set up the camera again. So super simple. So that's the way you can reset a Mubview camera. Just press the button, hold, and reset it. I hope you like this video. Just give the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.